And good morning. Welcome back to the show. Just moving along. We're about halfway through this week edition of Summit Sunrise. Now joining me in the studios, Kristy Lee of KL Creative Design. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah. Well, let's jump right into it. KL Creative. What exactly is your focus? What's the business?
So KL Creative is a full-service web development group with a focus on mobile technology.
Right, because that is it only continues to get larger and larger.
Right.
So when you talk about mobile technology, though, what exactly are you talking about? Because there's several different products there.
What that means is that all of my websites out of the box are mobile friendly. So we make websites that not only work on the desktop but also work on the mobile phone. And what happens is the content rearranges on the screen in order to be best optimized for the phone.
Right, because as we know, you're working on a desktop computer, you have a mouse, the keyboard, larger display.
Right.
On a cell phone, touch screen. I mean, different interfaces would require
Makes the font bigger, makes one column instead of three, so there's no pinching, no zooming, no like hunting around to find that one.
I'm sure you guys
have
done this before. If you're using a smartphone and open up a web page that is clearly not a mobile web page, it's really small to see, and I'm zooming in, and now all of a sudden the links aren't operating as smoothly as they can, and then before you know it, you're not really interested in that website.
Right,
so that's
absolutely.
really important for a business. So now you are willing to work with anyone who's really anyone on trying to get into that, break into that industry.
Yep, absolutely. And because everything is over the internet, I do meet people face to face, but a lot of things also happen over the internet and over phone. So it could be anywhere and anytime. Yeah. And I'm also offering right now we're moving into the Grand County area as well.
Nice.
So offering services over there with project consultations, and where I'll come sit down with you and talk over your project or whatever you're working on these days.
So not just in Summit, you are expanding, you're into new markets. And so big thing with KL Creative is the SEO portion of it, getting people recognized and out there, because you can have the best app or you can have the best website possible, but you still have to be found. Why is that so important? How does that actually work, though?
Well, SEO, you consider it like marketing for your website. So, you can't just build a website and throw it up there. There's 1.79 billion websites on the internet right now. You're going to get lost. You'll never be found. So this is marketing for your website. And what we do is we study the market, we study your website, we study your particular industry, and then to that we apply specific keywords and specific style of coding and specific tags as to make
and that will help file it up or filter it up toward the top of the list.
Exactly. Yes.
Great. Okay. That is something I didn't really know in terms of understanding what makes this particular company sitting on top of my search engine. Why are they sitting here versus someone else that I was actually looking for? Yeah, so that's good to know, and you can help out with all of that.
We can, yes.
That's great. Well, if somebody wanted to get in touch with you and talk about that consultation, what's the best way of doing that?
My website is klcreativedesign.com.
All right, perfect. Go online. It's that easy, of course. A website business ought to have a pretty good website there, so you can find all that you need there and more. Well, good luck with expanding into Grand County. That's some big news for you.
Yeah.
And also, though, apps, as app development is still huge. So if you're got an idea buzzing in your head, give Kristy Lee here a call and try to see what you can do and how she can help you.
Great.
Anything else?
Nope.
Yeah. You working today?
Thank you. Of course.
All right. Well, stay safe on the roads.
Yes.
It's a little slick this morning,
there.
A little icy out there, and the whole week, really. It's not looking like our best, but this weekend, cannot wait. It's going to be great. Spring will be back. All right, Kristy Lee, good to see you. Take care.
Thank you.
And we're going to be back with more Summit Sunrise. Don't go anywhere as we keep things rolling here. Still another look at your snow weather and much more after this.